Number 19 for Thursday, guys. We got one more after this, and we've gotten through our first week spiral review. Okay, so we're looking at a shape here, guys, and they want us to find out the area of the figure. So what I like to do first is I like to label what I know. They've given us some measurements here. They've given us 12, 5. So if we're just going to break this up into two separate shapes, you can see that we have a rectangle and we have a half circle, right? So let's label what we know. We know that if this side is 12, that this side has to be 12 as well. We know that this side is 5, so we know that this side has to be 5. Why would this be important? This measurement right here. I'll tell you why. That measurement right there gives us the diameter of the circle. We could use that number to help us figure out the area of that shape. So let's do the easy one first. We know the area of a rectangle is multiplying length times width or base times height. So if we multiply 12 times 5, we're going to end up with 60. Okay, so I'm going to do that right here. 12 times 5 is going to give us 60 meters squared. I'm circling this number because we're going to use that to calculate the entire surface area of both shapes. So now that we know this one, we got to figure out what is the area of this shape here. Well, remember, they're giving us the diameter, but we know that the area of a circle is 3.14 times radius squared. So we need to figure out the radius. The way we do that is we got to take half of the diameter to find the radius. R equals B divided by 2. 5 divided by 2, which would equal 2.5. Okay, so now we can use this 2.5 to plug into our formula. 3.14 times 2.5 squared. Now we're going to get our area here. So let's do that. 3.14 times 2.5 to the second power gives us 19 and 625 thousandths. But caution, we can't use that number. It's not a full circle. Okay, it's only a half circle. So we need to take that number, 19 and 625 thousandths, and divide it by 2. Okay, so I'm thinking my answer. Dividing it by 2 because we only have half a circle, which gives us 9.8125. Can you see that? 9.8125. Okay. Now remember how I circled this up here? I'm circling this one too because I need this number and this number to find my entire surface area. So I'm going to add 60 to that, which gives us 69. Double checking my work over here, guys. Yep, there it is. So our entire surface area, if you add this number plus that number, is going to be 69, 8125, and let's say meters squared.